has been seated in opening statements presented in a voter fraud trial here in Sioux City. Kim Taylor, the wife of Woodbury County Supervisor Jeremy Taylor, faces 52 counts in federal court of fraudulent voting, fraudulent registration, and providing false information in registering. Jeremy Taylor is not charged, but a government filing calls him an unindicted co-conspirator in that case, accusing him of helping his wife commit voter fraud. KTIV's Matt Hoffman joins us live link 4 outside the federal courthouse in downtown Sioux City tonight.
Yeah, Matt, you've been in the courtroom all throughout the day. What are the latest developments on Kim Taylor's trial?
Yeah, guys, the jury is now seated. That jury made up of 8 women and 6 men. Kim Taylor's defense attorney addressing the elephant in the room. That is, all of those jurors are white. None of them are Asian American. And you can really get a sense of the scale at the trial on Thursday, with dozens of jurors called in, 30 at a time, to whittle down the jury pool. Every seat in the courtroom was filled with those prospective jurors. Of the 14 currently on the panel, 12 will be selected to deliberate at the close of trial. When opening statements got underway, the prosecutors painted Kim Taylor as a wife who would do anything to see her husband win, including attempting to steal the votes of fellow Americans. Prosecutors also saying her actions threaten the foundation of American government. According to the Department of Justice, Kim Taylor failed to translate portions of forms that warned her victims that forging signatures or signing ballots without consent was a crime. They say Kim Taylor convinced members of the Vietnamese community to fill out ballots for their children and even collected blank ballots and then filled them out, casting ballots for her husband, Jeremy Taylor. Now, on the defense side, Kim Taylor's attorney says it's customary in Vietnamese culture for parents to make decisions for their children. He also said Kim Taylor is a helper and pointed out that her husband won in a landslide anyways. The defense also arguing key government witnesses like Auditor Pat Gill, State Senator Rocky DeWitt, and Sheriff Chad Sheehan are biased against Jeremy Taylor, taking a preemptive strike at their credibility.
And Matt, you did mention Jeremy Taylor, who currently serves as a Woodbury County Supervisor. Was he there at the trial today?
Yeah, Jessica, so Jeremy Taylor was gone for the jury selection portion of the trial, but he did appear for the main trial. He was seated in the gallery behind his wife, who was, of course, in the defendant's chair.
Matt Hoffman for us live in downtown Sioux City. Matt, thank you. Our cameras are not allowed inside the federal courthouse, so for more detail on the story, make sure to check out our web version of this story tonight. It'll be on our website, ktiv.com.